Να δούμε και το HTC Flyer, το οποίο δεν μας αφήνουν να το πιάσουμε στα χέρια μας, οπότε θα έχουμε ένα demo από στέλεχος της HTC.
Hardware first as well, or just software directly? So let's just very quick look at the hardware. So we have this 7-inch display, front-facing camera 1.3 meg, back camera 5 megapixel, holes for surround sound effect, so it's aluminium unibody finish, very comfortable, 420 grams, so very light to handle, very comfortable to grasp with the corners. Okay, so you have volume button, power key, jack, and micro USB at the bottom. And then on the side of the device, when you switch it on, you have, of course, the capacitive screen, but you also have a set of soft keys at the bottom for portrait mode and as well for landscape mode. That's for a quick tour of the hardware side. When we actually get into the interface, so you will find there this optimized Sense interface for tablets. So same Sense filling with a 3D tilt to it. So you see when I actually browse, you can see the widgets are turning around in this 3D fashion and the clock being displayed in this funny way. We put a lot of effort in giving a good visual experience. Hopefully it should be running on the weather. Let me just launch the weather application for you. Oh, sorry, the animation doesn't want to run now. I might just have to restart it later on. Anyway, so we get all the panels of the home screen, which you can scroll through with all your widgets. You can flick through pictures with the very latest. Email widgets, very comfortable to browse through, thanks to the big size of the screen. E-reader, I actually watch some books around there, so I could flick the pages quite smoothly to read the book. Well, that's what you get. That's all about the optimized Sense. There is quite a big work done as well on the pen as I work. So we worked on the note application, which would enable you to save any kind of note, work or personal events. So you just create a blank note. So you can of course use the keyboard to standard input, or you can use the stylus pen. Let me just get closer so that it's easy for me to do something. Let's go green. You can select color, the size, the brushing, and hopefully, is it big enough? And if you're not happy, the pen you can actually use to. So you can actually erase this just as standard rubber. If you're not happy with that late note or that late sketch. If you input text as well, the stylus will enable you to select text on the page to copy paste or highlight something. You can add pictures, attachment, and use the recording feature time mark to just save what you are currently doing and record what you are currently doing during the meeting minutes. And then it records the voice as well, so that if you've missed any information, you can play it back like a vocal memo. And all of this, as I said in the beginning, is saved back to the Evernote cloud, so you can back it up, sing it up, or share it on social media or things like that. And you can actually use the pen not only on the notes, but anywhere else in the UI. So I can actually do another HTC logo here, plus a little smiley face if I wish on the top, just for Barcelona on my home screen, and then share it on social networks or on the main accounts. So that works anywhere around the UI. It's quite comfortable when you're on a browser page, for example, if you want to share an article with somebody, you can have it available. So I can use the multiple window browsing, for example, to have multiple windows to work with at the same time. And let's say here I want to highlight a specific item. Let me just see the experience for browsing is quite fast, smooth. supports Flash, so you can watch videos or interact on the way you purchase. And as I was saying, once you have something on the screen which you really like, you can just mark it around and say, well, this is quite interesting. I'd like to do an article on that, and then you can post that to your colleagues again or friends via social networks.